Thikũ imwe thutha wa mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga gukuruhania maabitha borithi 42 na mubango wa gukaiya githurano giukite. Riu Minister wa ugitiri wa thi-ini Dr Fred Matiang'i na Inspector General wa borithi Joseph Boinett nimareganite na ripoti ino.
No, that's absolute falsehood, because the truth is these officers were talent spotted by NIS, and procedurally they have to leave the police service so that they can join NIS. And that's what happened. And someone even amongst you picked that story and published it. It's not a secret.
Are they going to be involved in...
No, they are not. They are not involved in any elections at all.
Minister Matiang'i akirega gwikuruhania na ngucanio ya miario ya muthemba wothe makiria thutha wake gukorwo akuruhanitio na mubango wa kiama kia Jubilee gukaiya githurano giukite makiria mwena wa Githii. Handu-ini hau guo Matiang'i agikinyereria murugamo wake wa kunyitanira na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC hari gutabania githurano giukite na njira ya thayu na waragania. Matiang'i agithingata kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ucabithia maritwa ma maabitha aria othe magakorwo metikiritwo kuingira ceceni-ini cia wikia kura makiria kurumirira rianirira ria ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro ya NASA gukorwo na maabitha 5 ceceni-ini ciothe cia wikia kura.
There is no room anywhere in the law or even in the arrangement that we have of anybody collecting hoodlums in the form of protecting ballot boxes and taking them to a polling station. There is no room of that kind. And I want to urge you to follow the law. That circular from IEBC that says who is supposed to be at the polling station is what we will follow. And anyone who's not mentioned in that circular, who's not supposed to be at the polling station, should be removed from the polling station the fastest way possible and by all means necessary.
Ere maritio hindi ya kigomano kia mwanya na anene borithi kuma icigo itiganite cia bururi. Kigomano kiria gitabaneirio mwena wa Kabete kuria mehandite hari gutigirira thayu wa bururi ndugatharario ni mundu o wothe hindi ino ya githurano.
We will be quite very responsive when called upon at every instance, and that we will be non-partisan. We will not support in any way any contestant.
Hau kabere Minister Matiang'i niacemanirie na mutongoria wa gikundi gia kurora ithurano rungu rwa urumwe wa mabururi ma Africa AU Thambo Beki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.